everyone, today I'm going to show you how I brew with Aeropress. This recipe is very simple and perfect if you're just starting to brew coffee at home. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to be using 13 grams of coffee. I'm using this washed Nicaraguan coffee roasted by Ona, which is of Java variety. I find that washed coffees work really well for this recipe. We are also using 180 grams of water at 90 Celsius. Our total brew time will be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I will be using this brewing water from Aqua to make the coffee really tasty, but you can also use filtered tap water. I will cover the benefits of using this brew water in another video, so watch out for that one. Let's start with dosing 13 grams of coffee. I'm going to grind with my Kinu grinder. The grind setting is 4 revolution 7.0, which is a coarse grind size. If you are using a different grinder, just make sure you are grinding coarser than your general 1 cup of V60 grind settings. I'm using Acer Aeropress paper filter for this brew, but the original Aeropress double paper filter also works really well with this recipe. I always rinse my paper filter and Aeropress to make sure everything is warm and clean. I'm going to pour 30 grams of water and bloom for 30 seconds. I stir 5 times to agitate well. After 30 seconds, I'm going to pour the rest of the 150 grams of water and agitate 5 times again. At 1 minute 30 seconds, I'm going to press around 1 minute. So make sure plunge it really nice and slowly, and the brew is supposed to finish around 2 minutes 30 seconds. Thank you for watching my first video. Please let me know your results. Also leave a comment if you have any questions about the brew. Thank you, see ya!